right click on export and then go to Gerber options. So we have got the top copper and then bottom copper. Apart from this, we need a silk screen. So I'm going to right click here, go to add manual. So manually we're going to add the next option we are going to add is a solder mask. Solder mask top. I'm going to add the solder mask top and click OK. The solder mask top, we have the board geometry and then outline. I will select it for all. Apart from that, I am having around the package geometry and then solder mask top. I will click the solder mask top. And the pin and then solder mask top. Make sure the pin is also activated in the solder mask top. Then click OK. So in the FSMT, that is solder mask top side, we have got 3 subclasses. So we're going to add the same thing. So solder mask bottom. So that is SMB. So here also I'm going to add board geometry, outline, then package geometry, solder mask bottom, and then the pin solder mask bottom. Then click OK. Now you can see in the bottom side we have these 3 things. And then next we are going to add SM, that is solder paste. Right click add manual, that is paste mask top. So I would say paste mask top. In the paste mask top, we only have the top side or bottom side if you have components. The first thing I'm going to add the board geometry. Outline is for the permanent we need for all the layers. And then we'll go to the package geometry and then paste mask top. Here it is the paste mask top. So inside the paste mask top, we have to add the pin and then paste mask top. So if you want to add inside the folder, first open the folder and right click on any sub layer, then click on the add option and then go to pin here and then paste mask top and click OK. So now it is added paste mask top pin here. So the next we have to add the paste mask top bottom. Right click here, go to paste mask bottom. So here also I'm going to add the board geometry outline and the package geometry paste mask top, bottom, and then pin paste mask bottom. Next one is we need apart from the paste mask, we need a silk screen details. So right click here, go to add manual. So we need a silk screen top, that is SST in reference. I'm going to write it. Board geometry outline. Apart from that, go to package geometry, that is silk screen top. Use the silk screen top and then pin silk screen top. And pins we may not be getting the silk screen top, but reference designator we have got the silk screen top. So we'll use silk screen top from the reference designator. Click OK. And then we need a silk screen bottom, that's SSB, silk screen bottom. Click on the silk screen bottom. I will add the sub layers. So go to package geometry, silk screen bottom, and then a reference designator silk screen bottom, then click OK. Apart from this, we need the assembly top here. Right click add manual, go to assembly top. We'll add the sub layers for assembly top, that is package geometry assembly top, and then pin assembly top. Pin will not be having assembly top, but reference designator and we have the assembly top. Apart from that, we have assembly bottom. Package geometry assembly bottom and reference designator assembly bottom. Then click on OK. So that's all. Probably profile, if you want to create separate profile, I'm going to save this one.